Hey Hoopers, Karrie here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to balance your hula hoop. This will work for balancing it on your hands, or if you wanted to balance it, say, on your foot, or even on your head, face, whatever. All the same principles apply. In this case, I'm using an adult beginner hoop. I find that this is great for beginning this, as it's a bit heavier, so you can really feel it on your hand and find that point of contact, and it helps you to focus a little bit. So what you want to do is place your dominant hand palm facing up. You'll notice that my elbow is in at my side. Depending on the size of your hoop, you may need to be a little bit further out, but you don't want to have your arm extended out fully, just because this will make your hand and arm a little bit heavy and may put some stress on your neck and shoulders. So starting palm facing up, you're going to place the hoop using your non-dominant hand across your middle finger and across your palm. You'll notice that my fingers are really tight together. That's one technique. Or you can have your hand fanned out and holding tension that way, but either in or out. A lot of times I see where your hands curl around. This lends to you just kind of gripping the hoop and taking the balance element out of it. However, if you're wanting to work up the hand strength to just be able to hold your hand flat, you can place it across your middle finger and then use your pointer finger and your ring finger to kind of pinch the hoop. This will help to build up the strength in your hand and getting you used to having your hand flat and flexed. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to find that balance and then release. Be sure that you're watching the top of your hula hoop, as this is going to help you to keep the balance. From there, you can begin to explore how bringing your hand to your face lets the hoop roll over your hand and just catching it with your other one. With this, if you have some long fingernails, it might be a little bit tricky. So you can, instead of just bringing your hand to your face like this, you can bring it up and then just tilt your palm inwards, and then it'll roll off your fingertips that way. Just a slight variation. And you can try both to see what's most comfortable for you. As you play around with this, you'll notice that there's kind of like a sweet spot where you can even hold and maintain it on your fingertip, and then letting it roll off, which is a nice, fun little effect. And you can even balance the hoop from your hand onto your forearm and then back to your hand. Balancing it on the forearm, you'll notice that my arm is definitely more straight out, and then I can move it back to my hand. Having the possibilities of moving it from your hand onto your forearm gives you some inspiration for balancing it across, so sending it into what would be a chest roll. So this here, you would just kind of lift your arm upwards, receiving it into the other hand. It's also good to practice this in your non-dominant hand, so as you can bring the two movements together to create kind of one fluent move. Thanks so much for watching. I certainly hope you enjoyed this little video tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and happy hooping. Cheers, bye.